Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zapier for automated SEO content workflows step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with options to sign up using Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address. Choose your preferred option and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you've signed up, you will receive a confirmation email if you used an email address. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link. After confirming your email, return to the Zapier homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard. To create an automated workflow, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Choose a Trigger App section, search for the SEO tool you want to integrate. Select the app from the drop-down list, and then pick a trigger event that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to connect your SEO app to Zapier by logging into your account. Once connected, test the trigger to ensure it fetches the proper data. Next, you'll need to select an action app. Search for the application where you want the data to go, like a content management system. Choose the specific action you want Zapier to perform once the trigger occurs. Connect this app similarly by logging in and following the prompts. Test the action to verify that everything works as expected. Once you've successfully confirmed both the trigger and action, you can name your Zap. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on your Zap. Your automated SEO content workflow is now set up and ready to use. To create more workflows, simply repeat these steps for different triggers and actions. With Zapier, you can streamline your SEO tasks efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.